Yo, what's up guys, my name is Bengazi, and in today's video I want to teach you guys how to be able to grow a beard, a nice looking beard like mine, or even better. So if you're interested in knowing how to get your beard looking like this, stick around. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you don't have anything on your face, you have nothing on your face, nothing going on in your face, you need only two things to be able to grow your beard, and they are: first, you need a minoxidil 5%. This is the one I use. You can get many other brands in the market like the Rogaine, Kirkland, and other brands. So just get yourself some minoxidil 5%. And then the second thing you need is a derma roller. This is the one I've been using for a while now, and it has really helped me. So try and get yourself a derma roller. I'll teach you guys how to use this one in a minute. So with the minoxidil, you need to apply it at least twice a day, one in the evening before bed, that's after your evening shower, and the other one in the morning after your morning shower. It actually works, but just that some people see results earlier, others too it takes a while before it's gonna work, but you just have to be consistent with it, you get it. Yeah, so that's how you use it. And then derma roller too, you have to use it at most twice a week, like especially for a starter. You need yourself 0.5, just get yourself the 0.5 millimeters, the needle, and let's see, for me I use it twice a week, that's Sundays and Wednesdays. And how you're gonna use it is you just roll it back and forth over the place you want the hair to grow for about a minute or two, and repeat it the other side the same way every Sundays and Wednesdays. And after that you can apply the minoxidil too. Just do it for some time, it's gonna grow. Yes, so that's how we use this one too. So aside the minoxidil and the derma roller, you need to adopt certain lifestyle to be able to help you achieve your goals, you understand. And what I'm talking about is you need to start living a healthy life. You need to start eating healthy, eat a lot of biotin rich food like fish, beans, like legumes and all that. And then you need to start working out too, because doing some compound lifts like shoulder presses, bench presses, deadlift, and squats they help boost your testosterone level in the system, which is one of the main key factor in determining how you're gonna grow your beard. Yeah, so go to the gym or get to the gym and make sure that you're getting those gains in, because that's what's gonna help you grow some nice looking beard. You get what I mean? So that's it. Yeah, that's basically what you have to do to be able to grow some nice beards. You just have to stick to the routine, do it daily. Just forget about, just do it as if you just have to make it a part of your lifestyle, you understand. The way you wake up every morning and brush and bath, just add those routine to it, and yeah, with time you're gonna see maximum results. Yeah, so that's it. And if you like this kind of video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe for me, because I'm going to be making more self-improvement videos like this, talking about how to grow muscles, how to grow a beard, how to take care of your skin. As you can see, your boy is having some clear skin here. Yeah, so kindly subscribe for me. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.